In this video I will create a bootable USB drive from the macOS. So first you need to download the Windows 10 image file from official website 64/32-bit. Okay, so here I already downloaded this ISO file here, and then just plugged in your USB. Okay, you can see it's mounted, and then open the disk utility. Okay, so if you cannot find the disk utility, just go to command and search, type disk utility. Also you can find out the search option from here, type disk utility, and another way to find disk utility is menu and type here disk utility. Okay, and after that you can see our pen drive, and here as you can see, if you cannot see this SanDisk Crucial Blazor option, just go to here and show all devices, check on this option, and after that just click on erase and give a name, any name, Windows 10, and format will be like image.fat, and it will be MBR, and erase it. Okay, now as you can see, it's a image.fat. okay, and it's a MBR now. And then go to terminal and run a disk list. The same information you can find also in a terminal. Okay, so if you don't know how to open a terminal, just same here, just click on this search button and type terminal. Okay, and another way you can find out the terminal option from menu and search for terminal. Okay, and and now run the second command. You can find out this command from a video description. So as you can see, the last character of this command is N. Why is N? Because here as you can see, our pen drive mounted as a disk 2. Okay, disk 2. My pen drive size is memory size is 7.8 GB. Okay, another thing is your pen drive should be 8 GB and more than that. So if you are using 4 GB, now these days people don't use the 4 GB pen drive, but still you cannot run this operation in a less than 8 GB pen drive. Okay, so the minimum should be a 8 GB pen drive. Okay, now copy this command and nmin. Here in your computer it may be a disk 3 or 4, whatever. For now it's disk 2, so just copy the command and paste it and remove the n and type 2, because here identifier is disk 2, and now hit the enter. Okay, and now done. And second thing is, go to your download folder and double click on this ISO file. Okay, now it's opening. Okay, and third command is rsync, and this one copy the whole command from here and run it. But before run this command, please edit first and then run the command. Please check the volume name here. As you can see, it's a CCCOMA and EN-USDV9. So let's check it. CCSFRE, FREEN USDV9. Okay, no problem. What you can do is just copy from here, copy it and paste, and capital C, tab, and then space, okay, it's tab and space, and volume and wim 10, and hit enter. Okay, so it should take time, more than 5 minutes. For now I just pause the video. After complete this process I will continue. Okay, it just took 2 to 3 minutes, that's it. And the second command is you need to install the homebrew. If you don't know how to install homebrew, just go to google.com and install homebrew on Mac. So here just follow the instruction. You can now just follow the instruction and you can see the homebrew is installed. Okay, after install the homebrew, you need to run brew install wimlib. Okay, okay, so already installed and uploaded. Okay, so now run this command, copy and do not copy the whole thing, just copy from to this and copy DVD and source, then install Vim. Okay, now again copy and paste. So wimlib-imagex split your Windows 10 image volume path and your pendrive volume path here and hit the enter. So now I just pause the video and I will continue after complete this process. Okay, it's complete now. So I think everything is done. Okay, now open the pen drive, go to Finder, here Windows 10. Yeah, everything is done. Now you can use your pen drive as a bootable USB for Windows 10. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye.